Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, thank you. Yes, welcome back to our online classes. In the previous class, we were discussing about the data handling, and today's this is the last chapter. This is about all what you learned in the 4th standard. On basis of that, some questions they picked. That is somewhat difficult than the previous questions. For that, we can call. You should think it. You should think over it. Then we can get the answer. That is critical thinking. This is a new lesson. Here there are 20 problems are there. 20 problems are there. In that we will solve some problems now. Yes, some I will give as a homework. If you did not get, you can give a call to me. Yes, first one. I am on open page number. It is critical thinking lesson number 16. First question. I am 5-digit number. The sum of all my digits is 10. It is 5-digit number. Yes, I am writing only answers on the board. The questions you should take from textbook page number 160 and page number 161. Write the first question. Yes, I am 5-digit number. The sum of all my digits is 10. Yes, it is a 5-digit number and the sum of all its digits. Yes, 1 digit plus 2 digit plus 3 digit plus 4 digit plus 5 digit. Its sum it is equals to 10. Then you should find who am I? Who am I? Then here see the digits you write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add all this. Yes, this all digits means 1, 2, 3, 6, 10, 15 it is. It is greater than, yes, 10. Then it is wrong our answer. Instead of here 5, you take 0 also. 0 also digit, yes or no? Then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. It is 5-digit number. 12,340. It is a 5-digit number. We can write, yes, the sum is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. This is the number. The sum is equal to 10 now. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 0, yes, it is 10. This one also we can write on 1, 0, 3, 4. This is also a number 10,300. Yes, here we can change 0 in it. Yes, any one number we can write. Therefore, the first answer is you can write 12,340. This one also write question after this is answer what I am writing. These are only answer. Yes, then downside you write 12,340 is your answer. Both lines you should copy for the answer. And second question. Question number 2. That is also very simple. 4 small bananas weighs half kilogram. Half of a kilogram. How many? 4 bananas. Yes, here 4 bananas is equals to half of a kilogram. Is equals to half of a kilogram means it is 500 gram. 500 gram. 4 small bananas. Yes, how many kilograms will 16 such small bananas weigh? Means it is weight of 4 bananas is, yes, 500 gram. Then we can find weight of 16 bananas. Weight of 16 bananas is equals to question mark. How many kg? How many kilogram? That is the question mark here. How many kilograms? Yes. Then we can find it's very easy. Yes, find weight of 1 banana. Yes, weight of 4 banana is 500 gram. Weight of 1 banana is, yes, we can write weight of 1 banana is equals to 500 by 4 bananas. Then 500 gram by 4 bananas. Yes, 4 ones are 4, 1 remain, 1 plus, yes, 1 and this 2 zeros 100. 25 fours are 100. 125 fours are 125 fours are It is, yes, how much? 500. Yes, then we can write weight of one banana is equals to 125 gram. Therefore, weight of 16 banana is equals to weight of 16 bananas is equals to 16 into 125. Multiply 16 into 125. What's the answer? 16 125. 5 6 is 30. 6 2 is 12. Yes, 3 15. 5 2 is 5 6 is 13. 3 carry. 6 2 is 12 plus 3 15. 1 carry. 6 1 is 6 1. 750 plus again 125. 125. 1 1 5 1 is 5. 1 2 is 2. 1 1 is 1. 1 it is. Yes. 10 2000 gram. Yes, how many grams? 2000 gram. 2000 gram is nothing but 2 kilogram. Answer is what? 2 kilogram. This all you write. Then we can understand how we thought. Yes, how we are solving the problem. This is very important. First, weight of 4 banana is equals to 500 gram. Half kg is nothing but 500 gram. Weight of 16 banana is equals to question mark. How many kg? Then weight of 1 banana is 125 gram. Then such 16 bananas are there, means 16 into 125, that is 2000 gram. That is nothing but 2 kilogram. Write this answer for the second question. Third question. You take the questions from your textbook, page number 160. Yes, 4. It is third question. Sorry, it is not second question. It is third question. Second question we will solve now. Yes, simple this one also. Second question. Yes, here I am a 5-digit number. I am a 5-digit number. The digit in my 100 place is, yes, 5-digit number means we can write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Yes, these are the 5-digit, yes, number we can write here. 5-digit numbers. First they what given? 100 place digit they given. What is that? That is, read the question once again. I am 5-digit number. The digit in my 100 place. The digit in my 100 place is 4. This is 4. Yes, the digit in my thousands and tens place. Thousands and tens are half of the digit in my 100 place. Means what is there 100 place? It's half. It's half means we can write 1 by 2. Yes, 2 parts. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Then answer is 2. In tens place and thousands place there is a 2. Yes, clear? Yes. Next again continue the question. The digit in my 10,000s, digit in my 10,000s and ones place are 1/4 of the digit in my hundreds place. Hundreds place 4. Yes, 1/4 of 4. 1/4 of 4 means 4 one time. 4 one time. 1 ones are, answer is 1. 4 is divided by 4 is nothing but 1. Then the digits in 10,000s place and ones place. What is the digit? Yes, you can write 1/4 of hundreds place is 1. Then the number is, what's the number? We can read 12,421. Like this you write. This is the number. Here this two also we can take. Yes, answer this is second question answer. This is third question answer. Yes, fourth one. Question 4 I will read and answer and write on the board. Just copy the question number 4 from your textbook. Yes, Joran traveled 50 kilometers to visit her grandparents. Yes, Doran traveled 50 kilometers. Who traveled? Doran traveled 50 kilometer. Yes, to visit her grandparents. And Jenny travels 3 times as far it is far. Yes, the distance of between A and B it is far. The distance between A and B it is near. It is near. Far means long. It is more. Far. 3 times far means 3 times more. 3 times more. Yes, that you should remember. Far is more distance. Yes, near is, yes, that is the less distance. Yes, Jenny traveled 3 times as far to visit her grandparents. Jenny traveled 3 times as far to visit her grandparents. How many kilometers did Jenny travel than Doreen? Yes, 3 times you multiply for her. Yes, 50. Then Jenny traveled. You can write Jenny traveled 3 times far is equals to 50 kilometer into 3, that is 150 kilometer. Jenny traveled 150 kilometer and Doreen traveled 100 kilometers, so 50 kilometer. How many more kilometers did Jenny travel than Doreen? Yes, you can write 150 minus 50, then it is of 100 kilometer more. Yes, you can write Jenny traveled 100 kilometer more than Doreen. Yes, this is the answer. You should take question from textbook answer. Doreen traveled 50 kilometer. Jenny traveled 3 times far than, yes, this Doreen, then 50 into 3, that is 150 kilometer. Who traveled more? If Jenny traveled 100 kilometer more than Doreen. Clear? Yes, this is fourth one. And fifth answer. Fifth one. Yes, write this all 4. Take answers. Pause the video and you can take the answers. Fifth one I will write above again. You should think twice, thrice, then you will get the solution. You can solve the problem. Without thinking you cannot solve. Yes, while seeing the question, answer will not come. That is, these are little difficult than the exercise questions. Little difficult. When you think over it, then you can get the answer. Yes. Next question is fifth one. Monica visited 8 parks out of 20. Means she visited 8 parks. There are total 20 parks are there. In that 8 parks she visited. This is the fraction for that. And what fraction of parks did she visit? Yes, out of 20, 8 parks she visited. Means this is the fraction for visited parks is equals to 8 by 20. Yes. Next, again you find one more, that is, what fraction has she not visited? Yes, fraction for not visited parks. Not visited park. Out of 20, 8 she visited. Then how many are remaining? 20 minus 8. Good. 12 by 20 she not visited. These two are the fractions. Yes. Write down this one answer also. Take question from 160 page and take the answer. Yes, and sixth one, very simple, but you should think over it. Then only it is simple. Otherwise, it's critical. They told already it is critical to think. Critical thinking now. The sixth question. Meena wants to weigh her pet dog Moti. Yes, she wants to weigh her pet dog. That's name is Moti. Then the dog will not stay on the scale. Yes, it will move. Yes or no? You keep your pet dogs on the scale. Is it stands there? No, it will move. It will go away and it will walk. Then what should she do? Yes, what can Meena do? Find the dog's weight. You think for it. What she can do to find her pet's weight? Yes. What she can do? She can hold a dog and she can stand on this scale. Then she will get a weight of dog and weight of dog and dog plus weight of who? Meena. She will get weight of dog and weight of Meena. Together she will get, after that, yes, after that she can subtract her weight herself. She can take her own weight and she can subtract from that, then she will get the, yes, weight of a dog. That we will write in a sentence. This one we will write in a sentence. Yes, Meena can hold the dog. Meena can hold the dog and she can take weight of both. She can take weight of both. Then Meena should take, yes, individual or her weight herself. Her weight. After that, subtract her weight from previous weight she measure then she will get the weight of dog. Very simple, weight of dog. First here Meena plus dog weight she should take. After this Meena plus dog that weight and minus Meena weight. Here minus Meena weight, automatically you will get a dog's weight. Yes, simple no? Meena plus dog together she can hold it, she can weight, and after that subtract the Meena's weight, then you will get a dog weight. Write down this one. All this we can write, or this much also we can write. Yes, seventh question. Seventh one. You have two empty jars as shown in figure. in figure there are two empty jars. Yes, one is, it is of 2 liters. Yes, we will draw here. It is of 2 liter, and one more is, it is of 5 liters. Yes, one jar is of 2 liter and one more is of 5 liter. Yes, how can you use these two jars to get 3 liter of 3 liter of oil from the big jar? There is a one more big jar. Yes, from that they want 3 liter of oil. Yes, from this they want only 3 liter. It is big jar. From it 3 liter of oil they want. How can you use these two jars to make 3 liter of oil? How can you use? Think of it. Yes, there is a big jar. From that, if you take here this one full, only 2 liter will happen. Yes, if you take with this full, it will happen 5 liter. Then 2 liter it is 5 liter. There is no 3 liter. How will you take? Yes, first you fill the 5 liters jar. Fill the 5 liters in the jar. From that, again you fill 2 liters jar. Then 5 liter minus 2 liter is how much is remaining in this jar? Yes, in big jar, yes, there is a 3 liter of oil. That's why we can write answer very simple. Yes, first you fill the 5 liters jar. Later you can transfer that oil from fill the 2 liters that jar. Yes, write that one only. First fill the 5 liters. Fill the 5 liters jar, and then take 2 liters from it to 2 liters jar. We can have 3 liter oil in the jar, big in the jar. That is 5 liter you fill minus 2 liter you subtract, you will get 3 liter. 5 liter minus 2 liter is equals to 3 liter. This is 7th question. Answer of 7th question. Write down. Take question from your textbook. Copy the answer. This is 6th and this is of 5th. 5th, 6th, 7th. All these three write down in your notebook. Yes, after this we can go with 8th one. Which question? 8th question. There are 20 questions are there. How many questions are there? 20 are there. You should think over it, then only you can understand the answer. Without thinking, only seeing the board, sir is solving always. Yes, we will copy that. Means in exam, I will not solve, I will not give the same problems. You should think over it, then only you can answer. Yes, 8th question. Which object will weigh more 1 kg cotton or 1000 gram of potatoes? Which will weigh more? 1 kg cotton Yes, cotton it is very light. Yes, this much will come very light 1 kg. But potatoes only 6-7 pieces big. Then which will more weigh more? Good. Both ways equal only. Why? Here 1 kg is equals to 1 kg cotton is equals to, convert kg into grams, 1000 gram. This is also 1000 gram. Then here 1000 gram of, yes, potatoes is equals to 1000 gram. Therefore both 1000 gram is equals to 1000 gram only. Yes, potato is equals to cotton. Then both ways equal. Both ways equal. Yes, they are equal. There is no more. Yes, this is of 8th one. Write this one. Write 8 question. Very simple. And we will solve 9, 10. Yes, then write 9th one. This is also very simple question. Answer I will write. You take question from your textbook. It takes 40 minutes to get the train station. It takes 40 minutes to get train station. Yes, if Ashma has to catch a 10 a.m. train, by what time she should leave her home? Her home. Yes, here to travel from home to, here it is home to station, it takes how much time? 40 minutes. Sorry, here it takes 40 minutes. Yes, this to cover this much distance 40 minutes it takes. But this Asma should reach at 10 a.m. She should catch at 10 a.m. Then what time she should leave her home? Then what time she should leave her home? Then you subtract 10 a.m. minus 40 minutes. 10 a.m. means we can write 10 a.m. is 9 hours 60 minutes. That is 10 hours. Yes or no? 10 a.m. Or we can write 10 a.m. subtract, yes, 40 minutes. Subtract 40 minutes. Then you will get, this is, you think 0 minus 0 0 here. 0 minus 4 not possible means 6 cities. 6 and it is 9 hours. 60 minutes 9 hours. 60 minutes is 1 hour. Then you can 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 9 minus there is nothing. 9:20. At what time she should leave the home? As we can write, Asma should leave home at 9. Asma should leave her home at 9:20 a.m. At 9:20 a.m. Just write down all this. Then it is very easy to you understand. Yes, question and answer. Answer 10th one. What is the question? 10th question. We will read now. Yes. Carl worked in the garden. Yes. Carl worked in the garden for 1 night, 1/4. 1 integer 1/4 means 1 hour and 1/4 hour. And Emily worked 90 minutes. Who worked more? Justify your answer. Yes, Arm worked in the garden. Arm worked. Yes, right. Carl worked, not Arm. Carl worked is equals to 1 integer 1/4 hour. This you can convert hours into minutes. This hours into minutes. Then 1 hour plus 1/4 can write this is nothing but 1 hour plus 1/4 hours. Then we can change this 1/4 is how much? 1 hour has 60 minutes. Change to minutes. 60 minutes plus 1/4 means 60 by 4. 60 by 4 is 4 ones are 4. Yes, here 15 fours are 60 means it is 15 minutes. Totally 75 minutes. Who worked? Cars. Yes, this car worked 75 minutes and Amy worked Amy worked 90 minutes. Who worked more? Yes, we can write comparing 90 and 75. Yes, Amy worked more. Amy worked more than car. Amy worked more than car. Yes, write down this one also. You should think it, then you will understand the answer. Yes, children, with this we will finish today's class. Again 10 are there. That 10 we will see in the next class. If you get any doubt about these 10, you can give a call to me. Okay, thank you.